Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make some healthy veggie stir fry. Hope you like this recipe. Stay tuned.
Pray every time I feel, cause God always a listen. One day I have to win.
Here I have all my vegetables. They are washed already. Now I'm just going to cut them up. So now that my vegetables are cut up, you know what time it is. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using vegetable oil. So I'm just gonna allow it to heat properly before I go ahead and add my ingredients. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my ginger and my garlic. And you just want to ensure that your flame is on low to avoid burning. I'm just gonna stir all that ginger and my garlic together just for about 1 minute, and then I'm going to add my onions, and now I'm just gonna continue to stir together. Now I'm going to add my scallion and my bell peppers, and then I'm just gonna continue stirring and allow everything to saute. Now it's time to add my carrots, and I'm going to just keep on stirring for about 2 minutes. These vegetables are looking so beautiful. The color is very nice. Now I'm going to add my string beans and my thyme. I'm just gonna continue stirring for another 1 minute. Then I will go and add my cabbage. Now it's time to add that little extra flavor to the vegetables. So I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper and some salt and a little bit of maggi all-purpose seasoning. This is optional. Depending on your taste, you can add whatever seasoning you want. Now I'm just going to combine all my vegetables just to incorporate all the seasoning and allow it to stir fry a little bit more. Now I'm going to add my last ingredients to my vegetables, which is my tomatoes. So I'm going to just combine everything together and allow it to stir fry for another 2 minutes, depending on your liking. Some persons like their vegetable crunchy like me, but If not, you can allow it to stir fry some more, just to how you like it. But I like my vegetable crunchy and nice, so I'm gonna continue stirring for another 2 minutes and then it is ready. So there you have it, guys, how to make healthy veggie stir fry. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to give it a like and comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Until next time, stay safe.